The things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my mind from my mind to go. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be in collaboration with UNice Hair Company. They sent me over this bomb curtain wig. Y'all, I am obsessed. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys, one, how the wig looks right out of the box, two, a half up, half down hairstyle, and three, how to achieve a updo style with a glueless frontal wig. So, if that sounds like something that you're interested in, you want to learn all about this wig that I'm wearing right now, just keep on watching. The wig they sent me is a 24-inch curtain bang unit, and this is what it looks like right outside of the box. It's a curtain bang wig, and it even came with the rollers already in it to make sure that those curls stay nice and curled. So yeah, I'm actually really excited to do this wig. Curtain bangs are one of my favorite hairstyles right now. So I think I'm going to show you guys a few different hairstyles that you can do with this wig. It is completely glueless. I'm going to go ahead and take these out for now, just so that I can show you guys a close-up of the hairline of the wig. So the parting space on this wig is 13 by 4. Get close up and show you guys. This wig does come with the built-in stocking cap in the inside, and I personally love these type of wigs because sometimes I don't feel like putting on a traditional nude cap on my head, because sometimes after a couple hours it feels a little tight and it can give me a headache. So this is a really good feature. You will not have to glue down a stocking cap or even wear a stocking cap or use any lace tinting sprays or anything, because they already have that built-in cap in there. This is a HD lace wig as well. Like I said, pre-everything, already pre-styled, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything. For my girlies who do not feel like doing that when they receive their wigs, this one is already done for you. So if you turn this wig to the back, it does come with a drawstring elastic band as well, just to help you tighten up the wig. I absolutely love this feature, and I love that more companies are incorporating the drawstring elastic band, because sometimes you do want to wear your wig glueless. You don't want to have to put any glue on your wig, and also the wig might just be a little bit too big for your head. So this drawstring elastic band method makes sure that the wig fits completely snug on your head and it won't fall off. So let's go ahead and try this wig on right out of the box and see what it's given.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no big kill my vibe.
So guys, this is what the wig looks like right out of the box. I have not done anything to it yet. I will say I absolutely love the pre-curls. They're super, super bouncy, and the hair does feel extremely soft. And then we have the curtain bangs in the front, which I absolutely love. So yes, guys, this is what the wig looks like right out of the box. It's already given. Like, it's already giving a really, really cute look. But I will say that the wig is a little bit loose for my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that drawstring elastic band. I'm gonna pull it as tight as I want it to be. And then there's like this little button on there. You just push it up. You just push it up. And now you can see just how snug this wig is fitting on my head. It's literally not going anywhere. So I will not have to glue this wig down. I will not have to use any glue or anything. When they say glueless, this is what they mean, okay? And when we say we want a glueless wig, this is what we mean. This wig is fitting so tight on my head. I don't know. I actually have to loosen it a little bit. This wig is fitting so tight on my head and it feels super, super secure. So guys, that is definitely a plus. For the extra security though, guys, they do have some lace tape on the side of the wig just to make sure that those ear tabs, you know, sometimes the ear tabs can lift up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the tapes to secure the ear tabs just a little bit more. I'm just gonna go ahead and get a little closer so you guys can see just how good that lace looks. It actually looks really, really good. And there is no glue, no adhesives or anything going on here besides the tapes. And that lace looks so good. I will say every wig that I've been getting from UNice Hair Company, it's like the next one is better than the last one. So the last couple wigs that I've gotten from UNice have been great, right? But it's like every time I work with them again, the wigs just keep getting better and better. I don't know what y'all got going on over there, UNice, but whatever it is, keep doing it, okay? Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Just peel off that paper shield on the tape and then just secure that ear tab. And guys, it really is that simple. Look how good it looks. And like, it's literally, let me take this out. It's literally not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. So now that the wig is on and it's nicely secured, let's go ahead and get into this hair. Running away from the darkness of my I don't know the limits, going way beyond the noise and you feel things. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. I don't know about y'all, but this looks so bomb to me. Like, I don't know about y'all, but this looks so bomb. I have been like a curtain bang girly lately because I just think it just flows and it looks so effortless and so natural and cute. And this wig right out of the box is giving exactly what it's supposed to give. Love these effortless body wave curls. Go ahead and stand up so you guys can see just how long this hair is on me. So this is where the hair stops. This hair is not super long, guys, but I think it just gives it that nice, effortless look. I think that anything longer than this might not be like the best length for this hair. I think this length for anything shorter is like perfect for the curtain bang look. This look is actually perfect, honestly. I do want to go ahead and add some curls right into the bangs to make them just a tad bit tighter and frame my face a little bit more. So guys, after doing a little bump to the front of the bangs, this is pretty much what this wig is giving. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. I love the curtain bang look. I love the length. I love how dark the hair is too. I will say that it's given more of like a really, really dark brown or black. And I personally like the way black hair looks on me opposed to like the lighter browns that most bundles and wigs come with. I do prefer the darker hair on me, so that is a plus. If you are like me and you like curtain bangs and you also like a little dark hair, this wig would be really, really cute on you. As you guys seen, this wig is super beginner friendly. I went ahead and used the tapes just to secure it. The drawstring elastic band method made it super, super easy. And the lace on the wig is absolutely fire. I do want to show you guys because this wig is a free part. So even if you wanted to switch your hair to a side part, you could absolutely do that because this wig is 13 by 4. For the sake of this video, I am going to leave my hair in the middle part. But y'all know I am a side part girly, so that parting space makes it so much easier for me because if I want to switch this hair to a side part later, I can most definitely do that as well. So guys, this is what the hair looks like down. I am going to show you guys 2 more hairstyles with this wig just to show you how versatile this wig really is. Tuned into my channel for a while, you know that this is one of my favorite like little go-to looks to do when I want to do an updo style, but something really low maintenance. And this is actually like super, super cute. I love the fact that this wig is completely glueless and you still have the option to do these type of styles. So this is the look. Next guys, I'm going to show you a hairstyle that you can do. Maybe if you have like a formal event to go to, you have to go, you know, maybe a wedding or a graduation, and you really want to do an updo style, but all you have is a frontal wig. You don't have a 360. I'm going to show you just how versatile these drawstring wigs really are.
I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty go. Got that ass to the cold. You gotta do it on these niggas. If you hopping the fence, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Then you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you right at the top.
Always felt like my vision being bigger than a bigger picture. Crazy how you gotta wait until it's dark out to see who really with you. Crazy how even when it miss you, shit'll come back around and get you. Crazy like all my niggas. Crazy like all my niggas. Yeah. Remember I deleted all my other girls' numbers out the phone for you. Remember when you had to take the bogs and I drove in the snow for you.
So guys, I purposely left some hair out in the back. Since this wig is not a frontal wig, a 360 frontal wig, we definitely need a little bit of hair in the back just to camouflage the back of that wig. That's why I left a few strands out in the back, and I'm gonna go ahead and give that a little chop. I'm gonna cut that down a little bit shorter just so it doesn't look too unnatural. Go ahead and curl that part out. So yeah guys, this is how the updo looks. It's super cute, super messy. I think this would be a perfect look if you have maybe a dinner date or somewhere special to go where you want just like a more elegant, put together look. But you don't have a 360 wig, you only have a glueless unit. I think this one will be perfect, perfect, perfect. And like I said, there is no lace in the back. This is not a 360 unit, guys. And that is why I cut these hairs in the back and curled them just to camouflage that cap a little bit in the back. So yeah, this is the third look. I could honestly keep going and show you guys about 5 different looks that you could do with this wig, but I'm not gonna do that in today's video. So as I was finishing up the video, I noticed that I kind of wanted a little fringe in the front of the bang. So I cut a little bit of the bang just to give it like that real fringed curtain bang look, and I just think it tied this look all in together. Like, it just made the look perfect. So yeah guys, this is the actual finished look. Okay guys, so that pretty much sums up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are interested in this wig or any other wig from UNice Hair Company, go ahead and check down below in my description box. All the details will be right there. Thank you so much once again, UNice Hair Company, for sending me this bomb curtain wig. I absolutely love it. I love the texture. I love the length. So thank you so much, UNice, once again. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys once again for watching. Bye guys.